Welcome to the QSoft Omni user interface. In this demo, we'll explore the recipe feature, which makes it easy to create, save, and load custom recipes, and even edit them while the experiment is running. Let's build a layer-by-layer experiment using water and 2 different polyelectrolytes. There are 4 channels with 6 positions in each, but for this experiment I only need 2 channels and 3 positions. I'm using the 2 to 3 milliliter syringe option and putting the water in position A, the first polyelectrolyte in position D, and the second polyelectrolyte in position F. Head over to the Scripts Navigation tab to design and customize your setup. You can adjust the flow rate to meet your needs or stick with the 20 microliter default. To create your recipe, drag and drop the steps in your protocol. I'll start with water for a baseline, add the first polyelectrolyte, then insert another water step to wash away any weakly bound material. Next, I'll introduce the second polyelectrolyte and rinse with water again. If you need the sample to incubate under no-flow conditions, just add a pause step. If you'd like to save your recipe, click on the Save icon to bring up the file browser. Saving recipes speeds up repeated experiments and reduces errors. You can also share your recipe with colleagues or even run their recipes, allowing for consistent experiments in different locations with different people. Once you've set everything up, start the experiment and watch its progress in the Live Navigation tab. It displays your script in real time, so if you notice you need more time or a thicker film, you can easily add more steps in the Scripts Navigation tab. And if your computer has remote access enabled, you can make all of these adjustments from anywhere, perfect for busy days or working from home. Thanks for tuning in to learn about the QSoft Omni recipe feature. We hope it helps you get the most out of your research. Happy experimenting, and we'll see you next time.